Hi Papercrafters! Welcome to another Design with Jo video. I'm Joanne Rogers, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Central Alberta, Canada, and I've been designing with you in mind since 1999. Today I want to share a technique with you, a revival really of something we were doing a few years ago called polished stone. And instead of using the reinkers from the metallics, the Encore metallics, we're going to use our Wink of Stella that we've modified. So in order to get started on this technique, here's everything that you need. So what I use is an alligator clip and some squares of cotton batting, and I actually use two, and I fold them in half and then clip them inside the alligator clip so that I've created a little surface that I'm going to work on. You're going to need some rubbing alcohol, and this is 70%, and I've put some right into that reservoir there in my paint dish. And you're going to need some reinkers, so I'm using lemon lime twist and so saffron, and I actually have the lids on wrong. So I was getting prepared and put them on the wrong one. So lemon lime twist and so saffron. And I'm also using my colored Wink of Stella. So in my video, and I've got the link below for you, take a look and I show you how to add some color into your old Wink of Stellas and get a little bit more life out of them. So we're using one that has Marina Mist in it. And we need glossy paper. So I've cut my glossy down just so that it's easier to work with. And this is just a small piece. I tend to actually do these with larger pieces of paper. So you're going to get your cotton batting fairly wet, almost sopping wet really. You want a lot of alcohol in there. It's probably pretty difficult to see, but that's pretty sopping. And I'm going to take a few drops of my reinker and place it around in different spots. I'm going to put, that was lemon lime twist, this is so saffron, and now I'm going to take my Wink of Stella that I've colored, and this is Marina Mist, as I said, and I am just going to dot that on all over the place. And then what you do is you are just going to take your cotton batting and you are just going to dab it all over your glossy paper. So what you're seeing is a little bit of the yellow, so saffron, you're seeing some of the lemon lime twist, and you're also seeing, and I'm going to hold it up here in just a minute, you're also seeing the a little tiny bit of the Marina Mist blue. So if I hold that up, you might be able to see that there is some shimmer in there. So it's not got quite the same shimmer, especially up in here where I first started, you can see quite a bit. So I could let that dry and go over it again. I am going to add a little bit more of my Marina Mist. I'm going to put that on quite a bit. I'm not adding any more colors because I do want a little more Marina Mist on here. So I'm just going to go down over top of where I already was, just to get a little bit more of that blue in there. And then you just set that aside and let it dry, and it won't take very long to dry because the alcohol is going to disperse fairly quickly. And then if I wanted to add more and get some different color in there, I can go in, perhaps now I'm going to add some Marina Mist. You can't get too many out of this because it ends up getting a little bit brown and you're creating your brown and getting muddy. So I would do maybe a couple of these and then go on to some other ones. So I'm getting some more blue on this one, so I'm getting a little different look. So really, everything is just playing. So you try different colors, different combinations. I'm going to show you a few more that I've done here. And then really then it's up to you to just go and play. So this one, of course, I didn't put any other color on except the blue. And so that's really what's taking over. But that's a really cool background. So here's a few other colors that I've done. So these colors here, so I was doing one sheet, so I think that that was probably cut like that or something like that. This was so saffron with some lemon lime twist, and I also have a Wink of Stella that I've created real red in, and it's the color here. And then I went in and I put in some melon mambo. This is lemon lime twist with just the Wink of Stella real red again, and there's a little bit of so saffron on there. So saffron, melon mambo, little tiny bit of the lemon lime twist. Very definitely a fair bit of melon mambo on this one. You can see where the so saffron has come in here. So really, you just have to play. This one you can see is dry already. It has quite a beautiful shimmer to it. And this one is almost dry as well. So all you're going to do is play and play some more. You're going to get yourself a bottle of rubbing alcohol if you don't already. Pull out your re-inkers and your Wink of Stella. And you could use just a plain Wink of Stella as well, but I like the little bit of color that you get in the background, and you can just sort of see it here. I hope you enjoyed this technique. If you do, please like this video below and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you live in Canada and you don't currently have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, please consider joining me. I would love to be your gal. Also check out my blog at www.designwithjo.ca. I post regularly and I'd love to have you join in. Thanks very much. Have a great day.